Hey everyone, we'll try to make this pretty short. So this is an update video. We haven't done many videos lately. We have been super behind on things. Last year with mobile blasting, it got us behind on powder coating. So we've been catching up pretty much all winter. We were about a month out roughly. So I have some projects coming up here. Suspension for a Raptor. We're gonna end up doing those in, I think, an illusion color. This I already started a while ago. We'll put that in a video, and maybe for a blasting video. We have some stuff down there. They just won't blasted, and then we're gonna just touch it up. So upcoming things, we have a few things that we're gonna hit upon. One is, so you know the big giveaway we did last year, we put all the items in packages so we could not really tell what items went where. It's kind of like a mystery bag. Well, we had 3 people that didn't open it. So on our last video, on our last video, we did one of them as a giveaway. Okay, this hell. On our last, it's windy as hell here, if you can't. We'll deal with that in a minute. In our last video, we were going to do a giveaway. We got 3 of the packages still. We're going to give 1 away today. I'm going to just go grab one of the 3. Throughout the course of the summer, we'll give the other 2 away. Unfortunately, I don't know what's in them. Go back to the video. I'll try to put a video link here to show all the items that were being given away. I just don't know what these 3 are. So let's do the random generator right now and see who ends up winning that. Okay, congratulations to Silent Asian. Hopefully you're in the United States, because we ship only in the United States. Unless it's a halfway decent price, then we'll ship outside, but pretty much in the United States. If you are Silent Asian, go ahead, reach out to us on our Facebook Messenger, and then we'll figure this out. Also, if you're looking for a system, like our X1 Reaper over there in the corner, go ahead and give us a call. Our X1 Reaper group is one of the biggest ones out there now for KFX ones. It's a huge group. We've helped 30 or 40, maybe 50 people buy one now. So our group is growing. So it's a really good group to help. If you have a KFX one, join the group. It will help you out. If you're looking to buy one, reach out to us and we'll direct you in the right direction to get one. Okay. So that being said, some of our old videos, if you go back and watch them, you will notice how we used to do music in the background. Well, we got hit with copyright on some of them, so we had to replace it with YouTube's music. Unfortunately, YouTube's music is only loud. So all these ones where we're going down through and talking, now it's loud music and you can barely hear us. I apologize for that. We've had a few comments, your music sucks and your music's too loud and all this, and I go back and watch the video and that's what's happened to those videos. So I do apologize. Some of the previous videos. Now we don't use copyrighted music, so we won't. I apologize for that. We won't have to worry about that, but just note that if you go back and watch some of them. I know one of our Eastwood, I think one of the ones was the Eastwood pop, putting it together maybe. Not putting it together, maybe putting the Mirror Blaster kit on it. I think that was one of them, so just note that, and I do apologize. This spring we are putting an overhang on our shop because of that. We've had this here for a couple years. And if you look over in the corner, I don't know if you can see, that leg gets pretty well broke, smashed. That one's smashed over there. The roof is going. Just where we live out here, it's a gorgeous place, but the wind just travels along the river. So we are going to be putting that together. I'll show you that in a future video. I'm thinking within the next couple months that will be done. We're going to have a nice little blasting area. Next video, you know what? I'm going to try to get one out. Like I said, I do apologize. We've been really far behind. But I'll do these ones. I think they'll make it for a cool video, and I told the customer that I'd do a video, so I do think that's Illusion Cherry or something, maybe. Yeah, I think it's Illusion Cherry, so that would be pretty cool. If you have a place, and this is me reaching out to some of you guys at powder coat. If you have a place, Vermont, New Hampshire, and you powder coat, if you're a $1 million powder coater with a big business, if you're a mediocre one, basically like mine, where you have a shop and you're doing good business, or if you're somebody at home doing it with an oven and doing it for your friends and stuff, but you put out decent work, I want to go and do some videos of shops. The reason is because a lot of you guys out there, and I've talked to a lot of you guys on my messenger, are either well established or just getting into it. I'm in that middle stage. I don't think I'll grow too big because we're starting to lean towards our mobile blasting, because that's really where the money is, to be honest with you. So we're leaning towards that way, so we probably won't grow the powder coating much bigger than our 4x4 oven. We may, but I just don't know yet. But I want to get those backyard ones too. You know, the ones that are doing it out of an oven. Because some of you guys that are starting haven't even started yet. And if I can show you the beginner stages from people and how they're doing it, you're going to be able to take some of that. Annoying as hell. You're going to be able to take the beginning stages and watch those videos and learn from them. Maybe you see something that you're like, oh yeah, I should do that. You know, that's a cheap way to do that, or that's a cheap way to do this. And then you get the middle people, basically like me, that's pretty much established, but does it for part-time, or, you know, just a hobby. Or, you know, businesses, like we have two here in Vermont that are huge businesses. I'd love to go into those shops. I've reached out to them and I haven't got a reply. So yeah, that's about it. I just want to do a quick little update. What's coming down the pipe? Silent Asian, get a hold of me. We'll get that out to you. And yeah, the past 4 or 5 videos, those were old videos from last summer when we were so busy. I was recording them, but I didn't have time to edit them. So throughout the course of the winter, I think it was the last 4 or 5 videos. Those are from last, I think, summer or spring. Summer or spring, maybe. So I played them just so we could catch up on work. I know I'm going to get help from somebody saying, hey, you know, the noise in the background is annoying on this video and stuff. This is just the time I had to do it. Otherwise, I'm busy blasting or powder coating. So, okay, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. If you need anything at all from us, reach out to us on our Facebook Messenger. That's down in the descriptions. And yeah, if you'd like to see any upcoming videos of anything, like a blasting video, or a video on our equipment, or a video on our mobile blasting setup. I was thinking about when we get the blasting set up, doing the spring maintenance, getting it ready to go. I might do a short little video on that. I'm not sure yet either. So, okay, just leave a comment. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.